Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be sharing a day in the life. It is 6 a.m. and I am just getting my workout in. I am going to get on the bike and do a quick workout on the Peloton, and then I'm going to do my weights, and then we are off to just do some fun things for the rest of the day, so I figured I would take you guys along with me.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Alright, so I am showered and ready for the day. I got Austin on the bus. Layton's just having her breakfast. Both the kids slept in super late. But I wanted to show you my outfit because I'm obsessed. I got everything at Target, and I was just looking for a few more pieces to kind of fill in my minimalist wardrobe because I'm still working on that and it's a work in progress. I'll have the video linked for you here, but I wanted a few staple pieces. I wanted to find a jean jacket, which I did, and I wanted to get like those Lululemon, like not the leggings, but like they're almost like, they remind me of like swishy pants like back in the day, but they're just like that soft material. And I just got this white tank, but the pants are amazing. Oh, sorry. The pants are amazing. They are so cute and so comfortable, and they're $32. Like, you can't beat it. So let me just walk over to my mirror and I can show you this outfit. I mean, it's hard to see, but they are so cute. They're like high rise. They have an elastic band, and they have like this cutout on the bottom, so it goes up a little higher in the front and lower in the back, and they have pockets. I don't know if you can tell like the kind of material, but, and then this adorable tank top, which was $5. So this is my outfit for the day, and this is the jean jacket that I got. Apparently this must be like oversized or boyfriend or something, because I got an extra small and it's still really big. So super cute. So it's a really cute basic outfit which you can wear pretty much all year round, but I am obsessed. So let's go make some breakfast.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before.
Alright, so Layton and I are just headed out on a Girls' Day. We have some errands to do. We have a return to do. We have, my sister is getting married in October, and I need to go get my dress. So I found one at Nordstrom Rack that I really like. So we're gonna go head there. Layton needs some shoes. We'll probably get some lunch.
Yay, good day.
And
I wanna get a pretzel.
a pretzel? I don't know where we'll find a pretzel. But
Like those big
we are packed up. We've got snacks, we've got water, we've got all our stuff. Layton, what do you want to listen to first for a song? the fight song.
Yeah, watch the video.
I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I'll try to kind of show you around the store a little bit, but depends on like how busy it is. But if not, I'll definitely show you my dress when, and hopefully if I get it.
Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go.
All right, we are home from shopping. Do you want to show everybody what you got?
Yeah.
Okay. Your bag's right there.
Can you help me, Mom?
Sure.
This is my favorite one that I'm playing right now.
So she got this.
Ah, the dress is done.
Ooh, jean jacket, and it comes with this little tie-dye dress. It was $12.99.
These flies.
She got some slides. She grew out of all of her shoes, so she got 2 pairs of shoes, and she's outgrowing all of her dresses as well. So the other pair is, it's just that other pair, which is in that bag over there. And she's been needing, she got a, yes, and then she grew out of all of her jackets too, and she wanted a jean jacket that matched mine.
And I have
And
that
then
pretty
that dress, that's the back of it.
dress.
And this one,
Good.
those would look really good. This was a 2-pack. It was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. They're so cute. And then,
Let's see.
hold on, I'll take that.
I got this coat.
Yep, hold on. Hold on, babe. This, she also outgrew all of her coats. So for the fall and the spring, I got her a medium. I tried on a small now, and it fit her good with a little rum, but they had a medium, so I got her a medium. It was only $25. So it was super cute. Little Under Armour coat, and then this one,
It's my favorite.
it's like a heavy, heavy winter coat, like a ski coat, and it's like got all the fleece lined inside.
Got these shoes.
And she got these shoes, little Steve Madden slides. Those
Can
are
I take the sticker off?
Yep, those were $20. But with this coat, it was, the price said it was $130, and it was on sale for $75. But I saw another one that it was in a different size. Camera's not focusing. There we go. That was only
12.
Yep, only a $35. So I brought it up to the register and just figured I would have them price check it. But she needed a new spring and fall coat and also a winter coat. So we made out for just over $50 for 2 of these beautiful.
What's everything else?
That's everything you got, lady. That's a lot.
That's for lunch.
And then in here, I just got some stuff for my friend's baby shower. And
Oh, I just found the house.
yeah, that's about it. A blanket and some baby clothes. I also got a dress for my sister's wedding, so I'm very excited about that. All right, so Leighton and I have been playing Barbies for a little while. Say hi.
That's me.
So we are just waiting for Austin to get off the bus. And I just told Leighton I'm going to take a pause on playing because I have to get the kitchen cleaned up yet again. I ran the dishwasher while we were gone again because I had some bigger, whoops, can't get the lights on. I had some bigger Tupperware things, but I wanted them to actually go through the dishwasher. So we are going to get the kitchen cleaned up and these dishes away just from this morning from the dishwasher. The counters cleaned and just like a general little tidy of the kitchen. And then once Austin gets home, the kids will just play for a little while. He actually has homework because the teacher sent home like a packet that he will be doing now every day, so which I think is great. So he and I discussed this morning, he wants to do his homework right when he gets out of school so that way it can be done and over with, which I think is a good thing for him to do. I'm just noticing my camera lens is like all spotty. Something must be like Must have got something on it, it's gross, but I gotta clean that off. But we're gonna get that done, then we're gonna cook some dinner, then we're just gonna hang out other than our little girls' day of shopping, which you guys already saw all that good stuff. That was the only exciting things that we were doing today. And then we have some laundry to fold and just general mom life cleaning.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth a try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
Look who's home from school. How was your day? Good. You ready to have a snack and do homework? Okay, let's do this.
I have my, here's my new hat. A golden necklace. Boing. Boing. I'm doing tiny jackpot.
He has this play necklace. It's like costume jewelry that a friend was getting rid of.
No, it's regular.
It's regular, yeah.
Not questionable.
That's what it's called. If it's not real, it's called costume jewelry.
Oh, this is not real.
It's not real gold, baby.
I didn't. No, it's not gold. I already knew that. It's metal.
Oh, okay.
It's metal painted.
Got it. All right. Nice job. All right, take care of your backpack first, please, and your lunchbox.
Can I do it?
So Austin is working on homework. Layton is working on her get ready for kindergarten book. How's everyone doing?
Good.
Good? And mom gets to wash the floors.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
No.
I wish. You guys gonna do it?
No.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. Making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's some magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. It's all about.
All right, now that dinner is all started, what I did with the chicken is I just brown it and sear it on both sides. And then I just put a little bit of water and mixed it in with a little bit of butter. I probably used about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of butter to cook all of that chicken, and then just a bunch of seasonings. So I seared it on both sides and then turned the I turned the temperature down to low, added probably half a cup of water just to the bottom so it kind of steams a little bit and keeps everything juicy. I know dinner's cooking. All right, and now while this is going, we are going to get the laundry folded, and then that will be it. That will be the end of this vlog because we have gotten a lot done. And then the only thing I have to do with that is like dishes and stuff. So you've already seen me do that twice. You don't need to see me do it a third time. So let's get this laundry done and then eat some dinner.
Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. It's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no.
All right, everyone's dinner is plated. This chicken, the kids are just having dino nuggets. Good old dino nuggets, some applesauce and the carrots. Same with Layton, just less. All right, we're gonna end the video here.
Oh.
Sib.
2 carrots? Yeah.
No, that's your plate here. That's Layton's plate.
Bye.
Nice.
Bye. Me and Layton are really very helpful.
Yeah. All right, that is it. We're just gonna have dinner and then we are done for the day. Like I said, I just have to clean up the kitchen and then we're probably going to just play a game, watch a show, or do something like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate you guys watching these videos and your support. Get that in your mouth, dude.
It's not. It's not.
Ugh, gross. So I will see you guys in my next video. And like I said, I hope you consider subscribing and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.